afternoon, everyone. I am Chandana and I am going to be presenting my shop talk today on Industry 4.0. Before we know more about Industry 4.0, let's have a quick recap on Industrial Revolution. First, we have Industry 1.0. So, Industry 1.0 started in 1784, and this industry consisted of mechanization and introduction to steam and water power. For example, we have steam engine. Next, we have Industry 2.0. Industry 2.0 started in 1870, and this industry consisted of mass production assembly line. For example, we have chain conveyors. Next, we have Industry 3.0. Industry 3.0 started in 1969, and this industry consisted of automated products, computers, and robotics. For example, we have CNC machine. This industry is also known as semi-manual industry because there is input of human but in minimized way. Next, we have Industry 4.0. So, Industry 4.0 started in 2010, and this industry consists of smart factory, IoT, and machine learning. So, now let's know more about Industry 4.0. What is Industry 4.0? So, Industry 4.0 is a phase where there is a rapid change in technology and advanced robotics. So this part of phase is a connection of different technologies like AI, gene editing, and advanced robotics. It blurs the line between physical and digital world, and it also keeps people seamlessly connected. Now let's see what's inside Industry 4.0. We have automation, connection, and cloud computing. Then we have IoT, big data, and system integration. What is automation? So, automation is a term where technology is being operated automatically by machines. Here, the manpower is being minimized. Automation consists of machines, computers, and robotics, which replaces human from performing any specific task. Next, we have IoT. So, IoT is known as Internet of Things, and in simple, we can tell that it's a connection of electronics or electronic smart devices which are connected through internet. So these electronic devices use sensors which help in communicating through themselves through internet. Next, we have cloud computing. So cloud computing is a process of storing or accessing data or program through internet instead of using any hard drive, computer hard drive. So it consists of both hardware and software. Some of the uses of cloud computing is it is used in big data analytics. There is advanced security, and one of the main use of cloud computing is its anytime anywhere accessibility using any device. Next, big data analytics. As I said, it is one of the use in cloud computing. What is big data analytics? It is the same process as cloud computing for storing or accessing any data or program, but the programs that are voluminous or large in size. Next, we have system integration. So system integration is a process of combining or joining many components and system together to ensure that they function as one whole. So it results in the increased production, and trustworthy data can be gained, and there is fast decision making. This is the setup of Industry 4.0 in our college NTTF. Next, let's get into Industry 4.0 dashboard. So first we have monitoring, then results, diagnosis, and utility. Monitoring in general is known as looking after something. So in monitoring, we have first overlook. Overlook in the sense having a full look of all the machines together. Then we have group look where we can monitor two or more machines. Then we have equipment monitoring where a single machine can be monitored. Then we have signal monitoring that will be sent by the machines if there is any alarms. And then we have alarm monitoring. Next, we have results. So results are basically used for checking the production in specific machines or even in group machines. Next, we have diagnosis. So diagnosis is a part where we can find any alarm or if there is any breakdown in the machine. In case if there is a production, in case today if there is 100 production by a machine and the next day it's 90, Using diagnosis, we can find where the machine has been breakdown or where there's an emergency or where the machine has been stopped. Next, we have utility. So utility is used for basically file transforming or saving or accessing any data. Let's look more into monitoring, resulting, and diagnosis. So this is an monitoring over a shop floor. So as we can see, this side there's a panel board which has operate, disconnect, alarm, emergency, and etc. And they are all given a specific color code. As we can see, operate is in green color and a machine is green color. So this machine is in operate mode. The disconnected machines are the rest of the machines present. Using this, we can find out which machines are in operated, manual, stop, or warm up mode. Next, we have diagnosis. As I said, diagnosis is alarms. It is basically used for checking any alarms in depth. So the first image is one of the alarm in robot where it's written deadman switch is released. So while operating that robot, there is compulsory to hold a deadman switch, but it is released. So there is an alarm indicated. And the second image shows the alarm that is being showed by the dashboard. Next, we have results. So first image is equipment result. It is a single machine's result. So we can find out the time, we can see the timeline and the production that has been done by the single machine. Next, we have group result. So group result is an average result of all the machines together. We can see at what time or at the average time all the machines stopped or alarms that has been indicated by the machines. Let's get into some advantages and disadvantage of Industry 4.0. So first, we'll get into advantages. So it is a lower cost. As automation saves labor cost, there's an increased production. Next, we have safety. As there is less manpower, there is more safety. Then we have quality. Increased production, we focus more on the quality. Some disadvantages are there is high cost in installation and there is increase in unemployment and there is a require of skill or personalized manpower to monitor over. Next, we have Industry 5.0. So it is also known as the fifth industrial revolution. That is the new and the emerging phase of industrialization that sees human work alongside with AI powered robots and other more improved technology that helps in enhancing the workplace areas. Some of the limitations in Industry 4.0 is there is a higher rate of failures in installation and also there is a no voice command back for operating. There is no voice when there is any alarm or when there is any emergency in the machines. Here I would like to end my presentation. Thank you.